Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of mutual. Of a feeling or action, experienced or done by each of two or more parties toward the other or others. For example, a partnership based on mutual respect and understanding. The second definition of mutual. Held in common by two or more parties. For example, we were introduced by a mutual friend. American pronunciation. Mutual. Mutual. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Mutual. Say. Mutual. Mutual means experienced or done by each of two or more parties towards other or others. Mutual. Mutual. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The fans love him and the feeling is mutual. Now, repeat after me. The fans love him and the feeling is mutual. The second practice. But it seems the feeling was mutual, so that's fine. Now, repeat after me. But it seems the feeling was mutual, so that's fine.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.